Ladies and gentlemen, one of these men will be a winner. They've been winners ever since they were born, and now they just come to prove it at Fruitland Park, Veterans Park. What's some good butt shots? I get some good butt shots. Yeah. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good start. Good start. That's right. We'll get it. That's okay. That's totally